Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news, charts, project reviews, and much, much more. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get ourselves hopped on in. We're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market. We're going to talk about some projects and we're going to show you the charts. We have some project review videos coming out today also. So rock out with us, and we're going to show you we are in it to win it. Go ahead, love and respect for all of you guys that hopped on in. We're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market. We're going to talk about some projects and we're going to show you the charts. We have some project review videos coming out today also. So rock out with us, and we're going to show everybody we are in it to win it. Mad love all of the socials. We're going to utilize and we're going to talk about CMC. We're going to talk about some projects and we're going to show you the charts. We have and we're going to take a look here. So rock out with us, and we're going to take a look at the prices and much more. So that way you guys can get with us and you can rock out with us, because that's what we love to do, and we love to show you guys the love as always. Alright, we're gonna get you on over to here so that way we can drop this information. We're gonna drop it onto a call channel. I'm gonna drop the post in the link so that way anybody that stops by can actually see the post and join the chat and rock out with us, because you already know what we got going on, right? Okay. So we're going to utilize CMC. We're going to take a look at the crypto news real quick. We're going to talk about the socials. We're going to swing by there. We're going to show you the charts. Okay, we're going to talk about the top. Okay, we're going to go through the prices, and we are going to rock out with you guys. Okay, mad love and respect for everybody. Shouting out private chat, G Printers, mad love, rocking with us as always. You guys already know we are in it to win it, right? Okay, now, yes, shout outs to anybody that's joining and hopping on from the streams, right? Because we love you guys as you are rocking and showing that love, right? Okay. So now, what do you want to hear? You guys are chilling with Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news, charts, projects, and much, much more. We're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap, CMC, for today's overall cryptocurrency market and today's prices, and see what the condition and the sentiment of the market is today. All right, today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 1.4 trillion. That's up almost 2%, right? 24-hour volume at 47 billion, right? Bitcoin down is 52%. Ethereum down to 17.4. Gas on Ethereum right now is 43 GUI. We are towards the greed side. Fear and greed index is at 70 out of 100. Okay, today's top cryptos, let's run through it. Bitcoin now sitting at $38,303, up 1.8% in 24 hours. Now it's $749.1 billion market cap, $20.9 billion in volume today. Ethereum, your top second crypto, coming in at $2,080, up 2.6% in 24 hours, $250.2 billion market cap, $9.9 billion in volume. So we're going to talk about the weekly gains. So on this week so far, coming into the first of the month on December, watching the trades on a Friday, closing and going into the weekend. You can see Bitcoin is up 1.6%, okay? And you guys can see, come join. Come join us. Next is project reviews. All right, mad love and respect to that, right? Okay, and then Ethereum now $250 billion market cap. So we're paying attention to these market caps. Remember when we talked about it, and now that we're starting these streams back up, we're back in it. We're off from holidays, vacations, and we are going to be back on every day, giving you your live crypto news, targets, charts, prices, and much, much more. Mad love and respect to you guys that are in it to win it, and you guys are chilling and chilling with us, right? Okay. So we've been watching this. USDT market cap now at 89.3 billion, so right below that $90 billion mark. So printing more USDT on the sideline, and we'll actually be paying attention to the dominance and see where the flow of the stablecoins are going. BNB, a lot of news lately in the market for Binance BNB. Now sitting at $227, 0.2 to the upside today, 2.6% to the downside in the past week. $34.5 billion market cap, 603 million volume today. XRP, your number 5 crypto at 60 cents, 1% to the upside, 1.6% to the downside, $10 in volume. Solana, your number 6 crypto, coming in at $60, 0.7% to the upside, 4.4 to the upside for the week. $25.4 billion market cap, $1.2 billion in volume. So we see some heavy volume on Solana. So we're going to be paying attention to this in the bull runs. USDC, your top second stable coin, coming in at $24.5 billion market cap, $4.7 billion in volume. Okay. Cardano sitting at your number 8 spot. Okay, at 38 cents, up 2.1% for today, 1.8 to the downside, $13.4 billion market cap, 251 million volume. Dogecoin, your number 9 top coin, at 8 cents. Can you wait till I'm done with this video because it's a lot of thing. I'm going to be done with it soon. All right, we're rocking. We're going to push. We're going to talk about these charts. All right, Dogecoin sitting at 8 cents, 0.8% to the upside. Look at that, 7.5% towards the upside for the week. $11.8 billion market cap, $648 million in volume on Dogecoin. Tron now sitting at your number 10 spot, right? At 10 cents, 0.2 to the downside, 0.5 to the upside for the week, right? $9.1 billion market cap, 211 million in volume. We saw Toncoin gaining a lot of value, but other coins that we actually like to talk about is Avalanche at $22. That's 5% upside for the week. And Polygon Matic at 77 cents. Okay, even on the week, but a push today for 1.7 to the upside. Look at our Bitcoin chart. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. We're going to take a look at this 1 hour time frame, okay? As you can see, I'm using an indicator called Trader's Reality. You can type that in and you can get this indicator also. It shows you everything that you need for your trading sessions. As you can see, these boxes here give me my different trading sessions. I got my moving averages here, and this is what we're going to utilize as we talk about the market. So on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, on a short-term time frame, you can see that we pulled above this 50 EMA. What I'm waiting for is that retrace towards that 50 EMA. Target in my area for next wave buy-in is at 38,050. That is a target that I have set for BTC. We did hit a local top at $38,855 is where we tapped it. So that would be a high that we're looking and utilizing on these charts. As you can see, we are actually closing candles, moving towards the upside. So I'm waiting for these moving averages, retraces to see if we close above or below depending on the situation. So my next buy-in would be at the target that I stated, 38,050. Second wave buy-in is at the psychological high zone, 37.850. Okay, so those are my targets going into the weekend, grabbing on the dips, but we're going to be paying attention to throughout the weekend and also on Sunday for the weekly close. Okay, so this is something that we're going to be bullish on and we're going to be paying attention to as we go and grow with these. So you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we kept going below that 50 EMA, but then after we hit it and we retrace, we get some nice gains towards the upside. As you can see, we're making higher highs, okay, and higher lows. And this is on the 4 hour time frame. So we're actually hitting the top at this moment on the 4 hour time frame at that M5 pivot zone. So that's 38,600 was our local top target that we did call, okay? And that's what we're stating and saying. So if we do see longer term candles close above this, that would be a continuation, and that would mean moving averages moving up towards price. We want to see us retesting, waiting for those next bullish buys. On the longer term time frame, 37,675 is a support target, and as you can see, it was an area of resistance, which is now flipped and turned into support. Let's go ahead and talk about the longer term for you guys, since we're going into the weekend with you guys here, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this long term for Bitcoin on the daily. Let me just go ahead and pull this chart so I can just show you what I see happening here. You can see my line. Look at that, 48.4. So that's bull market targets, right? But as you can see, as we are pulling below that 50, we actually pulled above it. We gained some traction. We crossed back over. So you can see this white line here is at 200, crossing back over to 800, and we are above that 50 EMA, which is right here. Now, what I pay attention to is, look, this continuation. When are we going to have a pullback and retest that 50 EMA, which is at that 34K level? So we have a tight trading range in between 34.7 and 38.8K. So that's a 1K trading trading range that we're trading within right now, with continuation on the longer time frames towards the upside. Longer term bullish targets, I'm looking for retest and retraces, because if we do close at some point below the 50, we're going to tap into the 200, and that's when we hit our targets. Keep following, hit that bell for notifications, because we're going to be on and live and rocking all week with you guys, chilling with the latest and greatest, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and show you Ethereum. All right, we're just going to go straight to the daily. Now Ethereum 50 pulling back above 200, about to pull back above the 800. That is bullish. Okay, the 50 EMA waiting for a retrace. I'm looking at a target of 1,920 would be a buy. If we don't see that, hey, it's bullish. If we do, that would be a wave buy-in. And then on the last case scenario, that $1,810 level would be a next zone that we would be looking for if we have any pullbacks. Okay, because you know that on the long-term time frames, we always wait for those retests before we get continuation to the upside. Local top that we were talking about is that $2,140 range, which we tapped on there for that local top on there, and this is on the daily time frame for Ethereum. Okay, now we want to see BNB. All right, these are your top three. BNB did pull up to that 800, saw that, got rejected, pulled below the 200, and now on the daily it is below the 50. Okay, so you can see this now. Bottom part of BNB 222.50, okay, and then a heavy level of support coming in right there at right above the $200 level. So I would be like 201.50. Okay, so those are targets and ranges that I'm going to be paying attention to for overall crypto. Those are your top three big daddies of them all, so we're rocking out. Actually, I'll show you Dogecoin, because you can see continuation on the daily. Doge starting to close above that 800, so that's something that we want to pay attention to. All right, Bitcoin overall market cap, you can see has been growing exponentially and actually growing in transfer value. So are these people in it for long term, watching the institutional trades, as we know? All right, don't forget to hit that bell, guys. Mad love and respect for that. Right now, for your news, you have a lot of things coming in with fines. This is actually shaking out the people in the markets that are going to actually, you know, make the market more transparent, you know, get people in there to build long-term wealth, you know, and this is what we want to see in the DeFi industry, okay? So we have a lot of political stuff happening in Bitcoin, so this is actually going to be a big year, 2024, for digital assets, cryptocurrency, and all your different news and info. All right, guys, hit that bell. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, where we rock out. We're going to be popping, dropping all the latest and greatest information. We give you your charge targets and much, much more, okay? Don't forget to stop by, swing by. We're going to have some project review videos and much, much more. As always, mad love. Yes, Bojack, I'm showing you mad love and respect, actually, for you guys that are out there right now. I'm going to show G-Printer's chat right here. Private chat, mad love and respect. And then also, we are going to do a Bojack Horseman video. Shout out to you guys, right? Shout out, guys. All right. So we'll drop that info, okay, for you guys to rock out. All right. And mad love and respect, as always. We love when we see you guys rocking out with us, okay?